He approached the patient, and examined him anxiously. Mrs. Armadale rose from her knees, and, first waiting for her husband's permission, carried the sheets of manuscript, which she had taken out of the desk, to the table at which Mr. Neal was waiting. Flushed and eager, more beautiful than ever in the vehement agitation which still possessed her, she stooped over him as she put the letter into his hands, and, seizing on the means to her end with a woman's headlong self-abandonment to her own impulses, whispered to him, "Read it out from the beginning. I must and will hear it." Her eyes flashed their burning light into his. Her breath beat on his cheek. Before he could answer, before he could think, she was back with her husband. In an instant she had spoken, and in that instant her beauty had bent the Scotchman to her will. Frowning in reluctant acknowledgment of his own inability to resist her, he turned over the leaves of the letter, looked at the blank place where the pen had dropped from the writer's hand and had left a blot on the paper, turned back again to the beginning, and said the words, in the wife's interest, which the wife herself had put into his lips. "Perhaps, sir, you may wish to make some corrections," he began, with all his attention apparently fixed on the letter, and with every outward appearance of letting his sour temper again get the better of him. "Shall I read over to you what you have already written?" Mrs. Armadale, sitting at the bed-head on one side, and the doctor with his fingers on the patient's pulse, sitting on the other, waited with widely different anxieties for the answer to Mr. Neal's question. Mr. Armadale's eyes turned searchingly from his child to his wife. "You will hear it?" he said. Her breath came and went quickly. Her hand stole up and took his. She bowed her head in silence. Her husband paused, taking secret counsel with his thoughts, and, keeping his eyes fixed on his wife, at last he decided and gave the answer. "Read it," he said, "and stop when I tell you." End of Prologue, Chapter 3, Part 1.